Welcome. What's that? Oh. You are here to witness me open my new lightsaber. Let me tell you about it. It's got my name on it. Did they pay me for branding? Get our lawyers on the phone. Molten blade tip. I love that. Dragging it around. It cuts holes in the floor, and we lose many engineers that way. I really need to stop that. Removable kyber crystal. Sounds fun. Maybe dangerous, which makes it more fun. Full metal hilt. I wonder if it's any relation to that movie I saw. Full metal jacket. Oh, it says real metal hilt. Let me just hit my opening device. Okay. I did this. This is my flashlight. So I guess I have to use the boring way and just use the force. Kind of anticlimactic.
For the full video, click the link above. Like, share, subscribe.
I'm out.